Brazil's Supreme Court sentenced Eduardo Bolsonaro in absentia to 4 years and 2 months in prison after he urged U.S. sanctions on his country during his father coup trial. Jair Bolsonaro's third son, who lives in the United States, had attempted to curry American favor for the former far-right president. The ex-leader served 27 years in prison for plotting a coup in 2022. 4 Supreme Court judges ruled in favor of the prosecutors, who charged Eduardo Bolsonaro with threatening judicial authorities and officials from other branches of government by saying he would secure U.S. sanctions if the proceedings did not end well for his father. The 41-year-old will also be barred from holding public office for 8 years, a decision he may appeal. At first, Bolsonaro's ploy worked. Last year, U.S. President Donald Trump hit Brazil with steep tariffs as punishment for what he called the witch hunt against Bolsonaro Sr. However, the duties were lifted after a first official meeting between leftist President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva and Trump. The Trump administration has also sanctioned Supreme Court Judge Moraes, but those measures were also lifted. Relations between Brasilia and Washington are going through a rough patch after Trump met with Eduardo's brother and presidential candidate Flavio Bolsonaro ahead of the election, in which polls suggest Flavio Bolsonaro and Lula are running neck and neck. In December, Eduardo Bolsonaro was stripped off his seat in Lower House of Parliament for his excessive absences.